Pretty lights roll over the river. My, oh my, the sky's so much bigger than we thought. And I wanna see it all. Cool summer nights were nice for a while. Right now I'm missing my warm bath towel. It's nice going out with you, but isn't it lovely coming home too? Take me home, I want my bed, I want my mom. We have had so much fun, but I want to go home. We will sit on the windowsill and look up at the sky and the clouds. We'll spell messages addressed to you and I. We will water the plants for the first time in a while, and I'll say with a sigh, I am home.
I was a quick thinker, I was a soul singer, I was my own leader, I was a daydreamer, I was a quick thinker, I was a soul singer, I was a daydreamer, but now I'm just lost in you.